Hi, this is Sayali. Today I am painting a black and white portrait sketch on a 5 by 5 inches canvas. I've just sketched the outline drawing with a pencil. I'll be coating the canvas with a tone of white acrylic colors. Now make a border with black acrylic color and keep on blending it. You have to use black and white to make grey, just to coat the entire drawing. After a coat is done, we will start matching the tones. The eyes are very important in the drawing. If the eyes match, then only the portrait looks same. In between, use pencils to just clear your borders. Keep on shading till you get the actual color. Don't worry at the start if it looks like a ghost. It will slowly take its shape. Make a grey color. Keep your picture by the side so you can match it with your portrait sketch. This took a lots of undertones. I was struggling because the canvas didn't absorb my colors properly. The colors need to dry and then only you can make a second coat on it. This still looks weird. This portrait took me 1 or 2 weeks. So you have to keep your patience. I was just trying to match the colors. The lights on the face. Doing a portrait sketch in color is comparatively easy. If you haven't watched my previous portrait sketch in color, which was a fridge magnet, please do watch it. After the hairline is done, it will match a bit. It will start taking shape. The eyes, which are very important. Can you see the white dot in between the eyes? Which is the light. But doing a pencil sketch is easy, you can say. Doing a acrylic painting, that too on a canvas, was a bit tough, as you can't blend the colors with your hands. This was my first time using black and white acrylic colors on a canvas. Do you think it is matching? Do comment and tell me if you think I did a good job. It is not yet complete, but slowly taking its shape. Those chubby cheeks. Do they match? A little more shading. I have to still make a fridge magnet out of it. This is just a drawing. So it'll come with part 2, where I'll convert this into a fridge magnet. The only thing about a magnet is it should not get spoiled. So I have to think about coating it with something. So come again for the next part of this portrait sketch. Just a bit. Now I will be using yellow for the border, just to highlight it. Let's see how it looks. Thank you for watching, and do come again for the part 2.